And so creativity, what I've found with creativity is the more creative you are, the more creative you get. One of the things that I truly, truly enjoy outside of the business world is sitting outside in nature and reading a book. But being able to separate from that, get my feet on the ground, and really connect to nature is something that really, really sharpens my axe and allows the creativity to flow out of me. And you'll start to see things differently. You'll start to experience things differently. And it allows you to start creating even more things because you've recognized that you're a creative person. So first step in this entire process, look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself you are a creative person. I am a creative person. I am a creative person. What that does is it opens the door to creativity to flow through you.